Hello everyone, I am going to show a method overloading. Method overloading, it means both method names should be same and can be parameters should be different and return type can be same or different. It depends upon that requirement. And if you're talking about that access modifier, then we have to use a private method first one, and second one a default method. It's applicable. And second one is that protected, and first one is the private. It's also applicable. First one is the default and second one is the protected. It's also applicable. It means no need to, it means it's not restricted to use any kind of, it means we have to use any kind of access modifier in that method overloading. And if you're talking about that binding the appropriate method according to that our parameter, it means according to that our requirement. In this method I have specified 10 and 20. According to this specified method, it will search that appropriate signature and it will call the this signature, it will call that appropriate method. And here I am using a first one string type, second one is the integer type. Then it will call that this method, second one. And one more extra thing is there in this scenario. I'll show you. Object add object obj1 object obj2 and return obj1 and obj2. Okay, in that scenario, this method is responsible to call that both this parameter, this signature is responsible to call that both method. It means suppose this method is not there, then it will call this method. Okay, here I need to use a return type of string because here I am using a string type. And in that condition, suppose second method is not there, it means lower type method is not there, then it will return a, it will call a higher type of method. But if lower type method is available, then it will call a lower type method, not a higher type method. I'll show you. SYSO according to that this method as per that SOP. Yeah, see, if both method is there, then it will call a subtype method, this one. But this method is not there, then it will call a super type. It's based on that priority. First, if lower priority is there, then it will not move to the higher priority. If lower priority is not there, then it will point to the higher priority. This is the core concept of that method overloading. And if you are talking about that overloading, I'll write us some difference. Method overloading, method name should be same. Method overloading, if you're talking about that method overloading, method name should be same and method parameters should be same and return type can be same or different, and uh, method overloading is the static polymorphism. Static static polymorphism, and method overloading is the static polymorphism and static polymorphism and early binding. That's it. This is the core concept of that method overloading, and in next video I'll talk about that method overloading. Thank you. Bye.